Hello, good day viewers. In today's tutorial we are going to see the combination. In the last video we talked about the combination, how we can find if we are asked to find the arrangement of number, which is permutation, and if we are asked to find the combination or selection of number, which is combination. So today we are going to know how can we find the possible value of n in combination. So how can we start with this question? So first I am given n combination C, which is r plus 2, and then 2n permutation permutation of 1, which is the value of r, which is 1. Find the possible value of n. So we all know that n combination r is n factorial divided by the value of n minus minus r factorial. So I have to say this is the same thing as n factorial over n minus minus r, the value of r, which is which is the value of 2 factorial, and again r factorial, which is 2 factorial plus 2. This shall now be equals to 2n factorial divided by the value. Okay, this is permutation, so I have to say the value of n, which is 2n minus minus the value of r, which is 1. So I have to put factorial. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I have n minus 2 here. Oh, okay, I have 2n factorial, and therefore I have 2n minus 1. So the first thing, I have to get away of this. To find 2n factorial, I have to first keep the 2n as it is, and then I'm going to subtract this 2n by 1. Then I will get its factorial. So I have to divide this by 2n minus 1 factorial. The reason why I did this is that I have to cancel this and this. Already I have my equation, which I have in the left hand side. I have n minus minus 2 factorial and plus 2. So I'm left with only this 2n. Yes, I'm left with only 2n divided by 1. So therefore I have plus 2. Let me not confuse you. So n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial, and I have 2 factorial plus 2 should now be equals to 2n. So if I'm to find n factorial, I have to say n, I have to keep the n as it is. I have to say n minus 1, and then I have to subtract again by 1, which it will become minus 1 minus 1. It will give me minus 2 factorial. The reason why I break down this is that I have to cancel this this n minus 2 factorial. So n minus 2 factorial, and then 2 factorial plus plus 2, it is equals to 2n. So this will get away of of this. At the end I'll have n into into n minus 1 divided by the value of 2 factorial plus 2, it is equals to 2n. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is that this 2 factorial is the same thing as saying 2 times 1, so I can leave it as as 2. So I have to multiply both sides by 2. I have to multiply this by by 2, also here by 2. 2 will go with 2, and this 2 will become 4. So therefore I'll have n multiplied. This should now be n minus 1 plus 4, it is equals to 4n. So n multiplied by n, which is n squared, n multiplied by n, it will give you minus n, and therefore plus 4, which is equals to 4n. So as you can see, I have to say n squared minus n. This should now cross the equal sign because I will collect like terms. It shall now be minus 4n plus 4, which is equals to 0. So I will have n squared minus minus 5n, and therefore I have to say plus 4, it is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. So what number should I going to add to give me this, and if I multiply them, it will give me this? I have to figure out the factor of what are the multiple of of this 4. So 1 can go, 2 can go, 4 can go, and also -1, -2, and -4 can go. So I'll go with this and this, because if I say minus 1 minus 4, it will give me minus 5, and then minus 1 multiplied by minus 4, it will give me minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 4, it will give me positive 4. So I have to say n minus 1, and therefore n minus 4, it is equals to 0. So if they cross the equal sign, n minus 1 equals 0 is the same thing as n is equals to positive 1, and therefore n minus 4 equals to 0 is the same thing as n is equals to 4. So my final solution of this should now be n it is equals to 1 and n it is equals to 4. So as you can see, in this case both are positive, so therefore I'm going to pick out the both. But if one is negative, so I'm going to choose what? I'm going to choose only what? Only the positive one. So this is all I have for you in this question. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.